Hey, kitchen sink here. I am up on big Fireskald knob, mile 299.2. There is a bad weather bypass that allows you to go and skirt the ridge down below in case the weather's not good. I decided not to do that, mainly because the weather's not that bad. I just can't see anything, and I'd rather stay on the PCT. I mean, the AT hat, and I'd rather stay on the AT and not, you know, deviate from that, unless like it was life or death. But there's no thunderstorms, so yeah. This will also be my my 300 video, like mile 300. So here, I'll show you the wonderful views up here as I hike up big Fireskald knob. I'm also attempting a 30-mile hike today, so wish me luck on that. I bet it would be beautiful up here if it wasn't so dang foggy. Huh. Master trail builder. Let's see what this paper has to say. I'll let you read it, and I'll read it later. Strange that it's just held down by a rock, but thank you, Howard McDonald. Must have been one awesome dude. So another thing that has to do with being socked in like this is it forces you to appreciate the beauty that's around you and not the beauty that's off in the distance. I mean, I know that there aren't that many views on the AT in the beginning, and this would have been one of them that probably looked great as far as the distance you'd be able to see stuff from up here, but there's a lot of hidden beauty just laying right on the ground in front of you, closer than you think. So yeah, don't be sad if there's no views. There's always something else just as pretty to look at. Maybe right in front of you, or on the ground, or even, who knows, right around the bend. Huh. Alright. It's kind of dangerous to put back on, but yeet. I can see why they made a bad weather bypass for this. Imagine you were up here, it was snowing or something. You could fall and break your neck pretty easy, or if it was like sleeting, or even just raining, I guess. Wild. This is a tight squeeze. So that was most of, if not all of, Fireskald knob. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Kitchen sink out.